Hey, welcome back, everybody, to Coffee
Sometimes tea
with Jen.
Marcelo.
So, what we are doing, we're continuing our series on pitches. Jen developed an elevator pitch bot. So, how does this thing work?
So what I did, we used to do a lot of networking way back in the day before 2020, and then you had to get onto Zoom, which felt like the networking elevator pitch went from a minute to like 15 seconds because you have so many people that you need to connect with very quickly, but also you want to be catchy,
Right.
and you can't be talking about we're gonna do chiropractic. I'm a chiropractor. Okay, that's easy. Done. We might want a little bit more stuff like what kind of chiropractor are you? And
There's so many.
there are a lot. Do you offer massage therapy?
Deep tissue massage.
Deep tissue. What kind of services do you have? And so for being a chiropractor, you could be that's a fun. I'm a chiropractor. But you also want to be a little bit more than just I'm a chiropractor. So we're going to go ahead and give this a try and generate a pitch and see what we can come up with for you. Okay. Oh, first for pitch for small business. And it's going to pop up creating the perfect elevator pitch for you. It's going to ask you a question, so you're going to want to tell it what you do. And you are a chiro. Oh, I hope to God I spelled it right. All right, there we go. There we go.
Ow. Ow. My back hurts.
I'll snap you back into place.
There you go.
All right. And
that's way too long.
Way too long. I'm not even going to bother reading it. You can read it. You can rewind and take your time.
And if you guys want that for your website, all power to you. But we're gonna.
And it's a good little phrase for maybe a YouTube, a little short, something like that. But, so nothing that this generates goes to waste. You can incorporate it somehow if you like it, and if not, we're gonna say make it shorter by selecting one of the items. Experience transformative chiropractic care that relieves pain, boosts your wellness.
That's still way too long.
It's still too long. Let's go ahead and hit A. Let's see what it'll do. Make me some more. There we go.
Unlock wellness with tailored chiropractic care designed to relieve pain and enhance health. I don't know.
Yeah, that's about right.
So go with catchy now.
I go to the chiropractor. I love it. It makes my migraines go away. So let's make it just a little bit more catchy, see if it can give us something different variation.
Step into pain-free life with our expert chiropractic touch, your pathway to optimal health. And that's not bad. And vitality. That's not bad.
Not too bad. Not too bad. Let's go ahead and hit D.
What does D do?
It's going to provide you 3 more variations. We want to kind of see. And this one, again, chiropractor, it's pretty simple, pretty straightforward, but we want to kind of give you a little bit more. Maybe you can use this in a pitch deck. And then we did do one on chiropractor, but we didn't do the pitch and incorporate it. But we are going to go ahead and just see what we can generate here.
That's the same thing I did over there, but it's okay. Transform your well-being.
Pain relief redefined. Dive into wellness for our chiropractic care that promises more than just comfort. That's not too shabby. But you know what? I'm just going to hit C. I want to throw out a couple of. I just really want to put this thing to work.
Dude, yeah, go again.
I'm going to hit shorter after this. I'm going to be that person. Pushes the buttons until I'm like, I want.
It did unlock vitality already. Our chiropractic care
makes pain a thing of the past.
They used unlock vitality already.
What did it do? It took some of the responses from above and it's spinning it. Okay. So you have vitality in here, but if you don't like the word vitality, we can tell it not to use the word vitality. You just say, do not use. Would you like to see if it does it?
Try it.
Sure. Why not? All right.
Hold
on. Please, because now instead of actually giving it, just selecting A through E. We're going to say a follow-up question or a command. Please create a shorter, more catchy pitch dash do not use the word
vitality.
And again, do not, and then after that I put must not use the word vitality. So let's see what happens. Let's see if it pays attention. There you go. No vitality. All right, please create a shorter, experience pain-free living with our expert chiropractic solutions where your wellness is our mission. Not too bad.
That's not too bad.
Does that work for you, or you want to now see if we can do 3 more variations and maybe
so let's see
if the vitality pops back up.
Yeah. So click on see.
Oh, see. I see.
You see what I did there?
I do. And yes, we're very corny here. So have a good laugh on us. All right. Step into relief. Our chiropractic care unlocks your best health, no pain, all gain.
I'm down with that. That one's dope.
You like that one?
Sold. D? You want to do it again?
I just want to see the variation.
Goodbye pain, hello freedom.
Yes.
Feel the difference with our chiropractic care.
Oh, yeah. I'm down for that.
Pain out.
Nope. Goodbye pain, hello freedom. And anybody who's ever been to a chiropractor knows what I'm talking about. You walk in with the dark glasses and the migraines and just that big old kink in the back of your neck. They do the snap, crackle, and pop, and out you go. Send you on your way for your day.
Very
Dark glasses gone. Of course, for me, I still had the headache, but for the most part, I could see the light and have a lot less pain. I remember that day was quite brutal. But anyways, as I rattle on, we want to go ahead and say we like number 2.
Mm-hmm.
We're going to keep that. That's a keeper. And we're going to go ahead and say E and tell it no more adjustments needed. And then the closing will pop up for you to say thank you for using our Pitch Perfect bot. You can always reach out to us. And the nice thing about this is, hey, you can save this as your favorites. Yep. You can take this link, you can share it with your friends. If you think if we did a good job, you can always support our cause. But again, that's more for you to incorporate the ideas at this thank you. You can create a thank you for your patient or for people that might create something as far as a bot. You can create this in a sense of you want to create a contact or something along those lines. You start here with your pitch, you make your deck, and then you can gather up some links that can be self-generated.
And then feel free to join us. The link's down at the bottom of our school. It's a free community to join. We call it the Safe Place, where we come and discuss everything about AI, CHAT GPT, coffee,
tea.
So we
basically a place where you personal to learn to incorporate AI tools and resources for your personal and business development, and join our community. We hope to see you there. So here's to you, and we hope to see you again soon here at
CoffeeSometimesTea.
Tea.
Good night, everybody.